anyway, what don't know. You can't go where Obokan where you have a fair. Said a what even worry with the name now. Why have a fair man? He believe he wear one little cake Obokan Unwama because Yaguta. We have a fair why you and Mama Womati or Rulela and Wowa. Zebe Gomanuki, Veton Saloboa, or Saloboa, or him now, no yet in your team, no say. So, Kebamba Nakpania, Maoni Mabe, Mama no Sunu, Wawati Watu, Wado Mi Mabe Watu, so my man Wareba. So, I know when you get La Sevena Ham, what wa, Iggy Mae, in Wareba. They took what you go. Who are there? Contract in Mame Kenai. Why I say A, B, and C. We have a product that we are selling, that we are marketing. And this product is a product that is sellable. If we endure the law of marketing, we will discover that by the time we shade these products, the traditional rulers, the traditional class, the market women, the youths, and average women at home, our fathers, they will all rush to buy these products. We are begging, we are urging our party faithful, our leaders, to help us to market this product. This product is no other person other than our amiable, intellectual, proactive, ever curious and vibrant. We are selling this product to depoliticize the political space in Egor, to usher us to victory for 2023 election. It's not that person than Honorable Pius Alile.
I am happy to see you here today. I am not going to take much of your time. So you can take a time, but one, you only do a grant. You go the kere, material award. Maado the my soul. 3 people on the world they identify. When the marigona na, and now, these people the world identify. Ogbonge empowerment. We have been doing empowerment for so many years. We are running a progressive and evidence-based campaign. A campaign that promotes the well-being of individuals. That is what we are running. In Ikpoba, we empowered over 27 women. Recently, we are here, we are going to empower 30 individuals in a local government. We are removing people from the bottom ladder of poverty. Secondly, even we need to come one where many Honorable Pius Alile in the House of Rep. Lastly, even if they don't come one, my name is Honorable Pius Alile. I am not stepping down for anybody. I am a Democrat. I don't believe in consensus. What I believe in, I go to the field. When you defeat me, I will join you to work for the party. That is who I am. So anyway, I am employing our leaders that to select the candidate that will represent this party. That candidate must be popular. That candidate must be acceptable. That candidate must be competent. That candidate must be a sellable candidate. And I represent these qualities. My position is that we should go to the field. That is my position. I'm a Democrat. When I hear the party people, the party members should choose who they want to represent them. That is my position, and that is what I stand for. And anytime I am ready to face our party people for the nomination exercise, anyone, my honorable Pius Alile, nous voting ni a candidate or APC for Egor-Ikpoba federal constituency. We give members of this party and their executive opportunity to choose who they want. Politicians will be elected and they will abandon their mandate. If they don't abandon their mandate, they abandon their constituency. I am challenging, I am saying, and I am appealing that we must go to the field. And our people who are party members should be allowed to choose who they want to represent them. Anyone, it's time by where I am competent. I said to the National Assembly, at the National Assembly, you have lawyers, brilliant lawyers. You have retired judges, retired Supreme Court judges. You have doctorate degree holders. You have master's degree holders. You have people who are eminently qualified. Anyone, you must select your best to the National Assembly. And I want to tell you, I am one of your best. Select me. Yes, I have a master's degree in social sciences. It was available. I think you both deceive me. I cannot be deceived. One thing about being the legislative army is to be visible. I beg away, who are sellable? Why argue? Then me worry National Assembly are sellable. Why we must get our best this time, and we must get it right this time. We cannot continue to recycle the same people. That is an aberration, political aberration. A local government is a metropolitan local government with bright minds, with intelligent people, those who are educated, those who knows what they are doing. We have so many of them. We should begin to look inward before we support people. A sentiment in Europe, we must get it right this time. We must get it right. I challenge the status quo. Those that believe that we must continue to recycle. That will not happen anymore. My honorable Alile, you line up, vote on the era of imposition is gone. I will challenge any imposition. This time we will go to court and we will face it. I am telling you that this time, the people must be allowed to choose. Let me call my beautiful woman, the most beautiful woman on the planet Earth, to deliver the
Madam, on behalf of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition, we're giving you this token for your business so that you can use it to add to your business and so that your business will grow. And also we are telling you that in everything that you do, remember it's not a loan, it's a grant. Okay? Congratulations.
This empowerment is a grant for you to enhance your business. So we give it to you on behalf of Alile.
Thank you, sir. APC!
Alile Coalition Initiative. This empowerment is being given to you to promote your business and to move it to greater heights.
Thank you very much.
Honorable Alile, Emawe, I can say my people, your people from our World War II, they sincerely say thank you for the Honorable Pius Alile empowerment financial grant. We say thank you. The good people of Watu say thank you.